Hi there and welcome to the second challenge, Your Big Plan. The first thing I want you to do is to think about a program, a development program, a challenge that you've faced perhaps in your past. Perhaps it's something that you're undertaking right now, or maybe it's something that you can see on the horizon, something that you know is heading your way. In other words, I'm trying to get you to think about a work-based project with this employer or perhaps a previous employer in a previous life, something real, something contextual, something that you can relate to. If you're not able to do that, or you don't feel comfortable doing that because of commercial sensitivity or something, then just pick an abstract challenge such as an onboarding program or a compliance program or something like that. So have that in your mind for the next part of this video briefing. What I want you to do is I want you to put together a plan on how you're going to accommodate that program, how you're going to meet that challenge that you've been faced. And I want you to take into account the post-its that are on the wall now. Each of the yellow post-its indicates a level that we've previously looked at in this MOOC. And this is how I want you to structure your plan. Your plan, your idea, your project must include two of these yellow post-its: artificial intelligence, beacons, wearables, VR or AR, and bots. Your plan must include two of these. Your plan must also include podcasts or video, so it only has to include one of these. It must also take into account spacing. You must design in spacing into this plan, and it must also reference at least one piece of research that we've looked at within this MOOC. So what I want you to do is I want you to take this challenge, this task, this program that you've been faced with in the past, in the present or in the future, and I want you to suspend belief for a moment. I want you to forget all about budgets, stakeholder engagement, compliance issues. I want you to put all of that to one side. I want your mind to be free. And I want you to imagine putting together the ideal program, factoring in some of the tools and technologies and ideas and approaches and research that we've looked at in this MOOC. Your plan does not have to be the most detailed thing in the world. I'm not looking for lots of words. I'm not looking for an overly detailed, down in the weeds type of plan. If you want to do something like I've done and just put post-its on a wall and talk it through, that's absolutely fine. If you want to quickly type a document and upload it as a PDF into Curator, that's absolutely fine. If you want to draw on a flip chart and talk me through what your plan is, that's absolutely fine. If you want to be really detailed, if you want to throw yourself into this head first and feet first, that's brilliant. I'd love to read that. I'd love to look at that. I don't want this to be a lot of work for you. I know that you're already very busy. What I do want is to present you with an opportunity where you can think about a really big project or task or challenge that you've got and how you might be able to integrate these and weave them together to help overcome that challenge. You can put as much effort into this as you want. You can take pretty much whatever approach you want as long as you can share it within Curator. So good luck. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments thread, and I really look forward to seeing what your contributions are. Good luck.